Hey Mike, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about of three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. These guys, as you see, when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, they show up at the very first of Google, right here and right here. And you could be there taking those spots if you fix these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I even make this video for you, and the answer is simple. I like to help business owners because I know you guys are really busy taking care of your business and you don't have time to learn how to use the internet, bring you more business. Or when it comes to time to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't know about the topic. So I like to make these free educational videos for business owners and send it to them so they can have all this information and then they can do whatever they want. Some of them they take it and they put it in action themselves, and some of them they call me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is cool with me. I just do this for my passion. And if you like what you see in the video and you feel like I could help you get in there, just give me a call and I'll be more than happy to help you. But that's it, let's jump into it. I want to tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top. Those are content, backlinks, and citations. As you see, content would be everything that you have on your front page. That I see you already have a good amount of it and a lot of really good pictures. So when you copy it and you paste it on the word counter, I can see that you have almost 700 words, which is really good. But Google, usually on pages that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words and 2,000 words of keyword rich content. You see, those remodel here, they have about 1,500 words. And content is not just the words, it's also the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. You see, Miramar Kitchen and Bar Remodel, again, they have a lot of content. So what you want to do is implement some content here, about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. Keywords are basically these terms that people are looking for regarding your services. You drop them, you find out which terms are they looking up the most, and you drop them several times on that content. So when somebody looks it up, Google can find your website. As you see here, if you look in your website, San Diego Kitchen Remodel, you don't even mention it. Okay, so this is really important. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks is they're basically another website that puts a link that when somebody clicks in it, it takes them back to your website. There's all the traffic over here. And that is really important. Google also, they work like a popularity contest, let's say. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. That means that any website can give you a backlink, but it doesn't count all the same. If you get a backlink for a website, for example, that talks about shoes or about food, it's not the same as if another company, another remodeling company or construction company gives you a backlink. Google wants to see a bunch of companies on your same niche vouching for you. That's what gives you the real power and the real trust on Google sites. So to check backlinks here in Purple Room, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And as when I put your website here, I see that you have already 42 referring domains. This means that there is 42 websites out there. That somewhere in the website there is a link that when you click it, it takes you over here. Which is really good. 42 is a good amount. As you see, your competition has 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they just have 38. Why with less referring domains they're higher than you? Answer is easy. Because of the content, but mostly because their domains, as I told you, they're not all created equal. So the referring domains, they're really, really strong, as well as this one. So how can you fix this? As simple as you go here and you copy them. You go through every single one of these websites, and also for every single one of these websites, you make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. Sometimes you just need to email the website owner, sorry, and they will put it up for you. So that's it. You copy all the ones they have, and you want to add some extra on top. So you just don't match them, you beat them. And that way, with the 2,000 words of keyword-rich content and those backlinks, you'll be securing the first spot over here. And the last thing I want to tell you about is citation, which is what it gets you here. And the good thing about this is that you can do it completely for free. All you need to do is put more citations than your competition. And a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. Directories like Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Yelp, etc. Okay? So all you need to do is see how many citations your competitor has. Then you copy them, the same with the backlinks, and then you want to add at least 100 more on the citations. Okay, so let's say they have 150. Me personally, I would put around 300. This is the copycat method, is because if they're good to rank them here and here, they're good to rank you as well. So you just do the same ones as they have, and then you add some more on top. But in the citations case, I would go for at least 100. Let's do a little recap. Here, uh, you need 2,000 words, sorry, of keyword-rich content. Make sure that you found those keywords and you drop them there a couple times. Then a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can get by copying the backlinks of your competition. All right, and then adding some more on top of that. And then last but not least, the citations, which is what it would get you on the top of the MacPack, which drives crazy amount of traffic. Okay, just copy the ones on the competition and add about 100 more, and that's it. So if you are interested in doing this and getting all that extra business, I would recommend you to get started as soon as possible, since this takes some time to implement. And the sooner you're done, the sooner you're gonna be getting all that extra business and extra calls. So thank you very much for watching. And if you like what you see, just and when you want to do it yourself, please feel free to take all this information and put it in action. But if you want me to help you, please give me a call, send me an email, and we can set up an appointment and chat about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I would really appreciate if you can give me a little review on the video, a little feedback, since I make these videos for free, and it would help me tremendously. Thank you. Have a good day.